Okay, this smells and I'm worried. Oh my gosh. I hope you guys don't mind me wearing a wig, by the way. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for being here. And if you are new, what is up? My name is Ling and my star sign is a Leo, and in the Chinese zodiac I am the year of the dog. I thought I'd let you guys know what my star sign is, and let me know down below in the comment section what star sign you are, and yeah, I would love to get to know you guys on more of a personal level. So today's video, you know what, I thought it'd be fun and cool to do a full face review of Primark makeup. I'm kind of shitting myself because Primark doing makeup is kind of weird. I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna be very honest with you guys. However, I heard a lot of good things about Primark makeup and I'm just so curious because I've been doing makeup for such a long time. I kind of know what to expect from brands nowadays, but Primark, I don't know what to expect, so I thought why not try it out. So the first product I'm going to try is, okay, this is not from Primark. I mean, it is from Primark, duh. But it's a brand within Primark. So when I went to Primark, they had not just Primark owned makeup, but they had like a few other brands in there. So I thought, okay, let me try them out because it's also really cheap. So this is the Golden Rose Makeup Primer. And this is a luminous primer. And recently I've been loving very dewy looking type of foundation looks. And I like to make my skin very glowy and glistening because your girl's getting old. So I thought, why not try it out? I think this has got a colour in it. I'm not entirely sure. There's no smell, which I like. I hope you guys don't mind me wearing a wig, by the way. I kind of wanted to be a bit adventurous today and just be, you know, a bit more fun with my looks. And I don't like dyeing my hair, so that is why I like to wear wigs. Ooh. It's got a slight smell to it actually. So once you put this on and you start rubbing it into the skin, it smells like skincare. Oh my gosh, okay. It's not too luminous like the MAC Strobe Cream. This is more on the subtle side, which I like. And it's definitely hydrating as well. Have you guys ever tried Primark makeup before? If you have, please let me know what you tried out and what you like. Because I definitely want to like start looking into like more affordable makeup because I know a lot of you guys are like, Ling, try out more cheaper makeup, and I'm just like, ooh, but I like expensive makeup because I feel like with expensive makeup a lot of the time you do get your money's worth, as for like cheap makeup brands you kind of don't, I'm not gonna lie, especially when it comes to base products. I'm happy with the primer. It's definitely very, very nice. It's not too dewy and it's not too glittery. It's like a really nice sheer type of glow, which I like. Next thing I'm going to try is the foundation. So this is the My Perfect Colour Longwear Ultimate Matte Foundation, and this has SPF 15 in it, and it's £5, and I am in the shade Toffee. So the best way to find your foundation shade in a shop is by, if you like find a foundation bottle and it's in a clear bottle, what you want to do is you want to put it by your face, and then you can kind of see if the colour matches your skin. So I'm definitely much lighter. I don't know why, I don't know how I got there, but we're just gonna work with it and I'm gonna give this a good shake. Yes. And a lot of people say that this is like the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation, and I'm just like, really girl? Okay. There's no smell, which I like. And I'm gonna use the Blue Beauty Blender. I'm just gonna dab some onto the sponge if it decides to come out. This is thick. This is thick! Oh my god, it's so thick. I'm gonna try the back of my hand actually. I'm not gonna lie, I know it's gonna sound really ignorant, but I was thinking Primark foundation would have like a strong chemical smell. There's no smell. Makes me happy. What in the world is going on? Why is this foundation so nice? What the hell? Primark, who is you? Wow. Okay, this is really nice, and I'll tell you why it's nice. There's a lot of playtime with this foundation, meaning that when you blend it, you have a lot of time to blend. You know how some foundation, when you put it on your skin, you have to blend it straight away and you have like literally 5 seconds to blend it out? This you have a lot of playtime with, and those are the type of foundations that I personally like to have. And the colour is not so bad, and it's not oxidizing as well. And yeah, I mean, the coverage is pretty decent. It's semi-matte, so it's not too matte and it's not too dewy. It's like in between. Wow, this is really nice. Guys, I think we have a winner. This foundation is so nice. yeah, it feels like my skin. It doesn't feel like a cheap foundation, I'm not gonna lie. I can understand why people compare this to the Double Wear Estee Lauder, but this one is definitely less matte because the Double Wear Estee Lauder is so matte. So I'm just gonna zoom you in, guys, because you know, you want to see the details. This foundation is really, really lovely. It's not as full coverage as I would like it to be, but it definitely did cover enough, and yeah, I'm happy. I'm gonna move on to the concealer now. So I'm going to use the My Perfect Colour Liquid Concealer in the shade Cool Sand, and this is £2. £2, oh my gosh. Okay, this smells, and I'm worried. It smells a bit like chemicals, I'm not gonna lie, but we're just gonna carry on. Okay, there's a slight tingling sensation, I'm not gonna lie, guys. Concealer is nice. I don't love it, but it's okay. It does do the job. It does cover, and I got a shade that's quite light because I really want to highlight today. But the reason why I don't love this concealer is because there's just not enough pigment, you know? Like, I like a concealer that proper covers my under eyes. It's okay. It's an alright concealer. So the next thing I'm going to try is the Instagirl Rose Powder, and this is a pressed powder, and it was £4. There's a slight rosy smell, which I quite like, I'm not gonna lie. It's not too heavy and it's not too perfumey as well, which is nice, I like that. So I'm just gonna use a MUA brush. This is the F16 brush. I'm just gonna set my under eyes. I don't think it's doing anything, guys, I'm not gonna lie. I mean, nothing beats my Laura Mercier powder, and I love MAC Water Weight foundation as well. That is so nice to set under the eyes. This doesn't really do anything for me, so pass. Okay, next I'm gonna try out this palette. This is the Highlight and Contour Face Palette, and it opens up like that. I feel like a kid, because this is the type of makeup products that you would have when you're a child. Feels very cheap, but what do you expect? It's Primark. Hopefully it performs really well though. Okay, so there's cream and powder. I'm gonna use this brush right here. This is the MUA F10 brush. I'm gonna go ahead and just dip into the contour thingy majiggy here. Primark! Hello! This isn't bad. Oh my god, cute. Okay, that is nice. That is nice! I usually don't like cream contour, but I like this one because the colour is not so bad and it's not moving my foundation. Oh, cute! I'm happy. That is cute and I like it. Yes! Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and set the contour with this shade right here. I'm gonna use the Urban Decay Massive Vegan Face Brush. Why did I not film this video 5 months ago when I first bought it? This contour palette is so nice, guys. Queen. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and use the littlest amount of yellow powder in this palette. I do not like yellow powder as much as I used to because I just feel like I'd rather use translucent because I just feel more comfortable with translucent powder. This is much better than the rose powder, I'm not gonna lie. And there's me complaining that I don't like yellow powder when I actually quite like this. Moving on to the eyes, now I'm gonna use this eyeshadow palette. It's called the Bronze Shade of Shimmer and it's so beautiful, guys. Look how pretty those colors are. Oh my god. I'm gonna use the Primark concealer as my primer. Going to dip into this shade first. It's a very pretty type of rosy orangey color. Ooh, that's a really nice color. Hello, Primark. Work it, queen. And there's no like weird patchiness or anything, which I like. I'm gonna dip into this coppery brown shade and just like literally dab it on the end of my eye and kind of like flick it out as well, so that way my eyes look up. Guys, this eyeshadow palette is so good! Oh my gosh. Okay, drugstore products need to watch out because Primark is going in. I'm definitely going to be doing so much more Primark makeup reviews because I cannot believe how good this eyeshadow palette is. I'm literally having zero issues with it. Can you see that there's like no weird patchiness or anything? Stunning. Next, I'm going to go in and use this very bright orange Now the orange is not super pigmented, but I'm not complaining because this is the only eyeshadow that's not as pigmented. But once you layer it on, the colour does show through, which I really, really like. I'm gonna dip into this dark purple shimmery shade and just put a littlest tiniest amount at the end of my eyelid. Gonna use it as a way to line my lash line. Okay, this shimmer has a lot of fall, guys. Going to now dip into this really nice yellowy gold shimmer with no setting spray or anything. Ooh, hello. The reason why I'm using no setting spray is because I feel like it's the best way to see if the eyeshadow palette is good or not. This is so stunning! Yes, Primark, come through. I'm gonna use this taupey shade just to help blend out the lower lash line. Cool, I'm happy. This is a definite yes. I absolutely love this eyeshadow palette. I'm definitely gonna use it again. The shadows, the pigments, everything is just a mwah, love. I got two eyeliners. I got one liquid and one gel. So I'm gonna do both on different eyes because I thought why not. One of them is £1 and the gel is £1.50. Oh wow, that's a thick eyeliner. Oh my gosh, pray for me guys. So the only thing I like about this eyeliner is that it dries matte, not shiny. I don't like shiny eyeliner on me because I feel like it just doesn't suit me. But the tip, oh my god, no bueno. Don't like the tip. So it's like 50-50 with this eyeliner. So this gel has a little brush, hello, but it's not the type of brush that I like, but we're gonna work with it. Definitely prefer the liquid liner than the gel. The gel is just not opaque enough, but it does do the job though. Moving on to the lashes now. I got the Sosu lashes. Now this is available in Primark. I didn't know Sosu was available in Primark. That makes me so happy because I love Sosu. And yeah, this is the owner. Look how cute she looks. These are so beautiful, these lashes. And I was just like, yeah, I've got to grab me some. And it's only £5 as well. And these are called London. Can we just appreciate how stunning these lashes look? And they don't feel cheap either. These lashes are so pretty and they don't feel heavy, they don't feel cheap, they don't feel like plastic or anything. It feels so good. Definitely gonna get more of these eyelashes and they're only £5. That is so cheap. This is how I dry down the lash glue. Next, I'm gonna go back to my face now and I'm gonna go ahead and use the Bronze Instant Radiance Highlighter Drop. This is probably like the only bougiest looking product that they have. No offense Primark, I'm just being honest. Oh wow, that looks like whipped cream. What on earth is going on? Can you see what I mean? It looks like whipped cream. That is crazy. I regret putting this on my face. Okay, no, it looks okay. It looks okay. I'm just being a little bit of a drama queen right now. It looks decent. Slight tingling feeling, but it looks decent. It's definitely very pretty. I think this will look really nice on like very like dewy foundation. I also got these highlighters as well. It's like the highlighters, like the packaging and everything, Primark. But I'm gonna go ahead and use this shade because this shade is so stunning. And I'm gonna use the MUA F11 brush. Oh, mama. Yes, 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 yes. Primark, make me proud. Yes. Love. Yes, come through. I'm so happy right now. Last but not least, I'm gonna go ahead and put on a lippy. Now, this is a very bright color. I don't know why I was so stingy that I didn't buy enough colors. So we're gonna go ahead and put a bright pink lipstick on. And I'm not gonna lie, guys, the packaging kind of reminds me of the MAC one. Oh, I accidentally got some on my nose. It smells like sweets, I'm not gonna lie, guys. Okay, pray for me. It's so dry. Oh my god. I look crazy with this lip colour on, I'm not gonna lie, but it's okay because I will put another lip colour on afterwards, just so everything goes well together. Okay, so my full review, the lipstick not my favorite. It's a bit too dry for me, but everything else, Primark, you slay it. I am definitely gonna buy more products from Primark. I definitely feel like they went in, and to drugstore brands, look out, because Primark is gonna come for you hard. Like, the eyeshadow palette is so good. You know how many crappy eyeshadow palettes there are in the drugstore, and Primark came through with this one. Okay. I hope you guys found this tutorial very helpful. If you do try out Primark makeup, please let me know, and let me know what your favorite products are, and let me know what your non-favorite products are. Today's shout out goes to Little Spotty 109. Thank you so much for tagging me in your pictures. Guys, make sure you give her a follow and show her lots of love. And if you want to shout it in my next video, all you gotta do is just follow me on Instagram and tag me, and that's it. You could be in my next video for a shout out. Every Wednesday and Sundays I upload a YouTube video at 6 PM GMT time, so make sure you hit subscribe and click the bell button as well. That way you never miss a post from me. Thank you so much for watching my video, guys, and I love you so much. Have a great day. Mwah.